The new Bentley Continental GT is designed from a traceable bloodline that runs through the family. It's instantly recognizable as a Continental, while still clearly defining a new form language for Bentley. In both the surfacing and the details, we have been inspired by a wealth of beautiful crafted objects, creating a car that defines modern British luxury. The interplay of smooth, curvaceous surfaces with sharp edges is inspired by the flowing form of aircraft fuselages. An aerospace technique called superforming then sculpts these shapes, delivering incredible definition to the aluminium body. Artistic splendor and functionality combine in the perfect cut crystal glass, inspiring the attention to detail within the new headlamps. Perfect geometry is inherently beautiful. From the new diamond knurling design to the matrix grille, and the new Côte de Genève texture inspired by mechanical timepieces, we use patterns to bring our design to life. The new Continental GT conceals the latest technology behind the finest materials. We celebrate the honed skills of the legendary craftspeople at Bentley, who allow us to push the boundaries of possibility for handcrafted, bespoke details. The interior is an homage to them. The Continental DNA can be traced back through the past 6 decades to where the name began, the R-Type Continental of 1952. The new Continental GT is the next chapter of a great design story.
The task for us was, on one side, to go for next generation, but on the other side, to build up what the current Continental is. To renew the car, we had to do something different. Think about what can we improve? We have to make it more modern, apply another styling, another technology. Bentley Dynamic Ride system allows us to tune the car to a sporty behavior, but also to a Grand Tourer comfortable behavior. The system keeps the cabin completely stable. 12 cylinders are always the pinnacle of engines you can have in the car, and we defined this engine now for the new Continental. It's the first time that we use a double clutch system in our car, and that brings us the possibility really to accelerate, to shift without any interruptions. So it's a constant flow where you can get then the torque to the road. The all-wheel drive system is a new one. This gives us the possibility to distribute the torque between the front and the rear wherever you need it. The body structure in this car is completely new, and it's a mixed material structure, mainly in aluminium, but on the structure, wherever needed, we also have steel. In some areas you need the stiffness, in other areas it's okay just to have aluminium. And this combination brings us a stiff car on one side, but also a light car. To deliver these sharp lines on the body, we use a technology which is called superforming. And this is an aerospace-based technology. Interior of the car is a celebration of craftsmanship. The materials we have chosen is a mixture of modern materials, but also of materials which everybody is used inside of a Bentley. We did a lot of testing with the car, around 1 million kilometers, and we have been everywhere where the car will be driven by the customers. I think the new car will completely redefine the Continental.